Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and this is to announce for those of you that still use a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus that the company Samsung has now announced that there won't be any new security updates for Android on these devices. So they've had 4 years of support, which is what Samsung had promised recently. 4 years of security support for all of their phones. So now 4 years has been achieved. They were actually the flagships of 2017. And now no more security updates. What does that mean exactly for those that own? They probably still work very well and do pretty much what you want. What that means is that you have to be more careful if you continue using it. As the months go by, the Android operating system will have security flaws or security holes that could be exploited. So that's going to be very important to be careful. And, if you just use it day to day on your own mobile network or on your own Wi-Fi, and take apps only from the Google Play Store, it's, manageable for a while. But I would probably say that starting from now, the best to do is to avoid connecting to public Wi-Fis, because these security flaws could be exploited through the network. So that could be a problem on public Wi-Fi. That's what I would mostly avoid. And of course, that also means that slowly you got to start thinking. And it's sad because I know that they still work pretty well. And often, they would probably still do a couple of years. But it will be time to start thinking of something more modern eventually. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.